I've got the carbs back on. Chokes on. It's just a cable at the moment. The throttle's a bit sticky. Now it's snapping back. Just dial it. Snapping back nice. Hooked up dummy fuel tank to the fuel pump, and I'm hoping it'll run. Just give me a second, I'll see if I can get it running. I got it running yesterday. Put the rad on, filled it full of water, put the exhaust back on because it's bloody noisy. We had a bit of an issue. It's ticking over perfectly fine. As soon as you give it a bit of throttle, it wants it to die. So I've just made some adjustments. Hopefully it revs a bit nicer now and cleaner. Notice the airbox is back off, mainly because you can't get to the adjustment screws underneath with the airbox on. So I've had to take it all off for now. I'm gonna run her again in a second, get it up to temperature and see what it's like, because they are a bit fluffy when they're cold, these. Hopefully get back to you soon. While I'm thinking about it, I'm just gonna change this exhaust, see if we've got one that fits. I think I have. I should have, I've got plenty of them knocking about. I don't like these really long exhausts. It's hard to tell close up, but it's long. Just undone it from there. This is the one that came with the bike. It's miles longer than most things I run. I've got a stubby Micron. I think it's slightly too wide. I think it's a 50mm, that one. I have got a cheap carbon one here. Which looks about right. Perfect. That'll do nicely. It's only a cheap exhaust. Comes with a removable baffle. But I do like them shorter. I've got a bracket here. I'm missing the rubber, but I'll be able to find one. So I just need the rubber for the. See what that sounds like. Well, it might not sound fast, well, it might not be fast, but it certainly sound fast. I'll get all that buttoned up, fastened up properly. Next little problem to sort out is this wiring. Just cut the other plug off the other loom. Just a case of soldering the new one. Do it a bit longer. Never been a fan of electrics. I don't like doing it, but it has to be done. Just got the soldering iron heating up at the moment. It don't matter which way you do these, to be honest. They're all just 3 phases, so they're all taking the same power. Well, I'm hoping this will heat up shortly. I've got a little gas soldering iron, but it's run out at the moment of gas. That's what excuse the shaky hands. I'm actually on tablets at the moment. A condition I've just been diagnosed with, and they don't really agree with me. Struggling a bit with this. Last one. It's got flux in this, by the way, just in case anybody was wondering. Bit of a snotty word, bit of solder there. A bit more in the back of this. Yeah, definitely not the best, but so it'll do. Try and melt that bit off. We'll get that taped up. Get the generator plugged in, alternator, whatever you want to call it, and we'll see if it's charging. Just going to check that this is charging. Battery. .69. A little bit lower than I'd like, but it is charging. I'm not too worried about it. So with it being a race bike, I don't do any long races, so I'm happy with that for now. And like I said on a previous video, I'm looking at turning this one into a Toco loss system anyway, but fitting the modified flywheel. Apparently it gets up to speed a lot quicker, so I'm going to be trying that. I'm going to get it dynoed as is first and test it on the track, and then I'll be testing it on the track again with the modified flywheel. Apparently there's no difference on the dyno with it. I think a little less torque, but brake horsepower is about the same. It'll have to be tested on the track.